getting so hot, I wanna take my clothes off. I think that's illegal.
Your face is illegal.
Thanks.
Way out that way. Are you filming me?
No, why would you say that? I like pointing the camera at people. You don't know what I like. Check your privilege.
What the crap? I don't understand your face.
Yeah, I don't really either.
Yeah, there's some cars in the.
I don't know. I mean, if my braces shine, maybe it would. I don't know how we get them off though.
There's cars.
Dude, you're in my way.
Do not enter. Can't enter right there.
No, we're doomed. We're doomed.
God help us all!
I don't know where this is.
Oh, me neither.
This looks like the entrance to Cracktown. Okay, that looks like a maximum security prison. There's a woman and her
Child
children.
development and family Super steamy.
You know who else is super steamy?
Me.
Yeah, you. Oh man. I wish my shoes were that cool. Oh my god. Why did they get so dirty? They were clean when I left. Oh god.
Look at that.
Oh. Hot.
Sexy.
Read my head in this pretend. Allow myself no mock defense. Step into the she places them in front of you. Nothing holds a Roman candle to solemn warmth of inside.
You, sir, are a meanie head. You think you heard?
I think so. I think the whole world heard.
Good.
I love
Wait.
it. Get out of here.
Leave. Leave.
There you go.
Come on, little guy. Don't go his legs.
I'm not.
Okay.
I'm just getting prepared for it when it finally gets out enough.
The wolf has really strange feeding habits. We haven't quite begun to comprehend them.
Neither have I.
Shh, the wolf doesn't talk.
Excuse me, I just did it.
I'm gonna have to ask you to shut your mouth.
Well, no.
Okay.
Okay.
I was filming that whole time. What if I talk like this all the time? Would you still love me?
No.
Would you still love me? Why not?
Goodwill.
Goodwill.
See it?
Will of good. Like the wheel of fortune.
Is it Will good? It's just like really bad grammar.
Yeah. Shut up. It's glorious.
Mercy's eyes are blue when she places them in front of you. Nothing really holds a candle to solemn warmth you feel inside you.
So we near the end of our incredible journey. Oh, it's super zoomed.
God.
I'm gonna miss you. Never see you again.
Wait, am I gonna die or are you gonna die?
Well, I prefer you die, but